go ahead and throw out those rolls of electrical tape because this week's featured product is the cure-all solution you electricians are looking for. Introducing Liquid Electrical Tape from Permatex. Even though electrical tape is great for covering exposed wires and electronics, the adhesive will fail over time, and it can't prevent moisture or dirt getting into the wires. That's where this 118 ml bottle comes in to save the day, as it creates a flexible, weatherproof, vinyl polymer seal that will keep out all air, dust, and moisture. It's UV and chemical resistant and stays functional in temperatures ranging from -45 to 135 degrees Celsius. Not only does it protect the covered area, but it's also highly dielectric, insulating up to 1,117 volts when at a 6.3 mil thickness. To use this safe sealing solution, disconnect the power to whatever you're working on so you don't get any surprise shockies! And verify the zone is clean and dry. Next, stir up the product and apply it with the included brush top. You'll need at least 2 layers for proper coverage, and make sure you wait at least 10 minutes between coats. Once it's painted on, wait for 4 hours before turning on the power to ensure the product has fully cured. If you heard all that, you might be reaching back for the electrical tape since it's much faster to use. Well, depending on what you're working on, this could actually save you a ton of time, as this liquid tape can be applied in areas not accessible to a full roll. So, instead of taking an entire component apart or moving large equipment out of the way, you can simply reach to the area you want to cover and easily paint it on. No extra hassle required. So, come on down to Gregg so you can ditch those rolls and paint your way to safety with this week's featured product, the Liquid Electrical Tape from Permatex. What's your go-to method for sealing electrical connections? Let us know in the comments section, and be sure to follow us so you can stay up to date with our 100% Canadian content. Thanks for watching!